How do I change the angle of the cut and the depth of the cut? Hi everybody, I'm Basso Contour. It's actually very easy. Stay tuned. Let's check it out. Now if you want to change the depth of the cut, you turn the knob, which is cleverly called the depth adjustment knob. And this allows you to rotate the shoe to get the desired adjustment. And as you can see here, there's little markings which indicate the depth of the cut. When you have the shoe adjusted to the depth of cut that you're interested in, simply tighten the knob again. I set my saw for about a ½ inch cut. Let's see how well it works. Well, as you can see, it worked very well. It was actually very simple to do. Well, let's now check and see how to make a bevel cut. And in particular, I'm going to make a 45-degree cut. Let's see how that's done. On the side of the saw is a knob cleverly called the bevel adjustment knob. And when you loosen it, you can move the shoe to the appropriate angle that you want. And I'm going to shoot for about a 45-degree angle, which is about the most it can do. When you have the angle set correctly, of course you want to tighten the knob again. Now keep in mind that it's going to be quite a bit more difficult to cut at a higher angle, such as 45 degrees. But nevertheless, it made a very nice clean cut, as you can see here. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.